my name is Wesley Taylor. I'll be representing the Boland district, skipping one of the Boland B-sides with Andre Meyer being our third and Hanrupool being our second, with Shaldray Simon being our lead. I think the words winning together for us as a team means that it emphasizes that when you work together and you share the same goals and you support each other, that you will succeed as a team. I would like to take this chance to wish all the teams a very good luck participating in the tournament, and may the best team win.